Hi Taurus, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be a reading for October 15 to the 31st. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I will be looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. And while watching this, please remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. So, a quick tip for you to understand whether the reading is resonating or not. I look at the current situation for a reason. So, if the current situation is resonating with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. All right. So, let's look at what's going on with you, Taurus. What's going on with you, Taurus? What's going on with you, Taurus? King of Wands, the Lovers, the Magician, wow, and the Six of Pentacles. So you're pretty determined about something. This could be related to your love life. Okay, something in your life right now, I think, is reaching the point of certainty and surety that this is what you're looking for. All right. I also picked this up that somewhere you are quite confident that if you walk on this path, you will get success. And you're sure that you will be able to manage this and balance this out. Okay? Sorry. I hope you can see the cards. Yeah. So, also, I feel that maybe if there's a phase going on in your current relationship, this is definitely to do with your relationship. And I think it can, for some of you, it can be career, some of you, but majorly this is about a relationship. I'm picking up that somewhere there could have been either right now there is a phase going on where things seem to be a little uncertain, but you're very sure that you will be able to tackle this. Okay, and I see a burst of confidence in you, like very, very sure that this is what I want to do in life. This I can see here. For some of you for whom this is to do with your career, I am seeing that you might be having two offers and you're moving towards the one that gives you financial stability. Okay? So, if the current situation resonates with you, so let's see what you can expect in these coming 15 days. I'm using the After Tarot. It's a very interesting deck. Let's see. What's coming to you in these 15 days? Next 15 days for you, Taurus. Nine of Swords. Three of Wands and the Moon. Okay. You're being able to fight the demons of your life, I feel. somewhere there were certain things that would bother you, and now you actually are being able to fight these things in your life. You're quite confident that yes, I can do this. You're quite confident there. I can see it. And somewhere I also picked this up that someone's, I think either your intuition is guiding you in these 15 days to do what is supposed to be done, or this is just a person, a mentor who is telling you what to do next and what is the best suited path for you. All right. I feel that these are there are some fears in you. You are trying to resist them. You probably, with your confidence, you're trying to overcome it in these 15 days. And I feel that you're just listening to your third eye, which is basically your intuition. Okay, basically, from inside, you have clarity about where do you want to move, and you're doing that. All right, in these 15 days. So I see you no longer confused. Okay, you are sure that this is what you want and you're walking on that path. Now, let's see what is the advice or the guidance for you here, Taurus. Archangel Michael, appreciate everything about yourself today. Take a moment and pat your back. People are drawn to your positivity. You're an earth angel who's meant to encourage people and help them grow through your own experiences. You can make a difference. So that's a message for your own personal growth. I feel that you should be not really, you know, you shouldn't be questioning your own worth, because you deserve a lot in life and you really can become very good in that path. So don't question yourself so much. I am seeing that you are someone who can grow, okay, who can succeed in life. So you are in the right attitude. So keep being in that attitude, is what I pick up from here. Okay? All right, Taurus. So that's what I have for you. I hope this reading helped you. Let me know in the comments, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings. Also, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals, so you can have a look, and if you want to follow them, you can. Take care. Bye bye.